So now we come to part E, and part E says 174. All numbers are divisible by number 1. So 174s are 174. It's ending with an even number, so it's divisible by 2 also. 2 8s are 16 and 2 7s are 14, 87 times. 3, let's add 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so this number is also divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15, remainder 2, so 3 8s are 24, 58 times. 4, the last two numbers should be divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, remainder 3, 34, not divisible by 4. 5, the number should end with 0 or 5, not divisible by 5. 6, now you can see that it is divisible by 2 and 3, so it will be divisible by 6. Any number that is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3, it has to be divisible by 6. Similarly, here you can see it was divisible by 2 and 3, so it was divisible by 6. But here this was not divisible by 6 because it was only divisible by 2, it was not divisible by 3. Only when a number is divisible by 2 and 3, it has to be divisible by 6. So the next number, 6. 6, 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12. So we will go 2 times. 6 2s are 12. Remainder 5. 6 9s are 54. And from 6 till 29, there are no numbers that will divide 174. The reason being, one, it's an even number. 8 will not divide it because if I look, 8 2s are 16, I am left with 1. 8 doesn't go in 14. So there are no other numbers that will divide any other number that will divide 174 between 6 and 29. Now this is basically a revision, or you can say a practice for you to know your test of divisibility. Eventually you will not be given such numbers that will be so confusing and so difficult to find, because you need to understand that there are a number of factors to a particular number. That is why I have given you the easy sums, that is A and B, and I am doing C, D and E. That's your only homework, nothing else. Now when you are copying the work, I'll send you a screenshot of this. When you are copying your work, you can either do A and B first and then start copying this. That would be better because then everything is going to be in order. The homework has to be done in blue pen. So sum number 1, you write the instruction, you do A and B, and then you will do C, D and E in black. Let's go to the next sum. The next sum says, check whether A, 2 is a factor of 33. Now, while you're doing these sums, you need to have your textbook in front of you so that you can hear me as well as see the sum at the same time. So the first one says 2 is a factor of 33. So we're doing sum number 2 and we're doing part A. Is 2 a factor of 33? That means does 2 divide 33 completely without leaving a remainder? No. 33 is ending with an odd number. To be divisible by 2, the number should end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. It doesn't end with any of these digits. 33, 3 is an odd number. So no, it is not divisible. So you write no. Let's go to sum number B. It says 3 is a factor of 200. 3 is a factor of 200. Now look into your textbook and see 200. Now for a number to be divisible by 3, you must add all of them, and it should be a multiple of 3 or completely divisible by 3. Now when I add 200, I add the digits of 200. 2 plus 0 gives me 2. Again plus 0 gives me 2. And 2 is not in a multiple of 3. It doesn't come in 3 times 0 because 3 ones are 3. And 2 is less than 3. So again, no, it's not divisible. Let's go to sum C. 5 is a factor of 445. Now for a number to be divisible by 5, the number should end with 5. 445 is ending with 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5. Yes. D. D is 7 is a factor of 2, 4, 0, 1. 7 is a factor of 2, 4, 7 is a factor of 2401. Now 2401. Now for that matter, because there's no test of divisibility for 7, we have to basically divide it and see whether the number is divisible by 7. So I take 2401 and I divide it by 7. 7 3 is 21. What am I left with? 4 take away 1, 3, 0. Next number. 7 goes 30 how many times? 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28. So 7 4 is 28. What am I left with? 10, this becomes 2. Take down 1 and again it goes 7 3s are 21. And left with 0. So it completely divides 2401. So D is also yes. So that's for your second sum. Now the third sum has to be done exactly the way that I am doing it on the board. It says sort of the prime numbers and composite numbers from 17. Is 17 a prime number or a composite number? It is a prime number. So 17 you will write prime NO, that means number. Under it you will write the next sum. And the next sum states 56. 56 is divisible by 2. So it is not a prime number. It is a composite number. You don't have to write the whole NUMB here. You just write NO, that means number. The next one is 83. 83 is a prime number or composite number. It is a prime number because it is not divisible by any other number than itself and number 1. 122. 122 is divisible by 2 because it's ending with an even number. Any number that ends with an even number or 0 is divisible by 2. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. 29. 29 is a prime number. We all know that 29 is a prime number. No other number divides 29 except of number 1 and number 29 itself. 99. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 comes in 3 times table, so it's divisible by 3. It comes in 9 times table, so it's divisible by 9. 99 comes in 11 times table, so it's divisible by 11 also. So 99 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. Now the next sum says, find the prime numbers between 10 and 50. So we start investing them. After 10 comes 11, 11 is a prime number, 12 is not, then is 13, then is 17, then is 19. We all know till 20. Now in 20, what did I tell you? There are only 2 prime numbers in the 20s, that is 23 and 29. Then we come to the 30s. How many there? There are again 2, that's 31 and 37. And we come to the 40s. In 40s we have only 41, 43 and 47. And these are the prime numbers between 20 and between 10 and 50. That's what the sum says. Sum number 5 is an interesting sum. It's a very easy sum, so I will run through it very fast. It says write the following. A. First 6 multiples of 2. So you write the instruction. I am not writing any of the instructions. Those instructions that are in the textbook have to be written by you. The sum is also be written by is to be written by you. The solution I am giving you here on the board, of which I will send you also a screenshot. First 6 multiples of 2. Now multiples are numbers that are formed by repetitively multiplying that number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and so forth. So if I am going to find the multiple of 2, I have to say the tables of 2 and the first 6. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10 and 2 6 are 12. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first 6 multiples of 2. You just have to say your table and write the number. B. First 5 multiples of 5. 5. First 5 multiples of 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. And 5 fives are 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 5 multiples of 5. Whenever they ask you multiples, it means say the tables of that particular number till as many times they have asked you for. First 10 multiples of 10. First 10 multiples of 10. So I am going to find the multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 6 are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90 and 10 tens are 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 multiples of number 10. You have to say the tables. D. It's given first 5 multiples of 12. First 5 multiples of 12. So I have to say my tables of 12 till number 5. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48 and 12 fives are 60. So whenever, it's very simple, whenever they ask you multiples of a particular number is that means you say that particular number's tables till whichever number they've asked you. They've asked to find the first 6 multiples of 2, so I say my 2 times table till 6. First 5 multiples of 5, so I say my 5 times table till 5. But I write only the answers. First 10 multiples of 10, I say 10 times table till 10. And first 5 multiples of 12, yes, first 5 multiples of 12, so I say by 12 times table till 5. Please do all this work till sum number 5 neatly in your notebook with a black pen. The homework, that is part A and B, has to be done with blue pen, and then you will copy the screenshots that I will send you. Remember, instruction has to be copied from the book, sums have to be copied from the book, answers have to be copied from the screenshot. Please be neat with your work. And remember once again children, don't post anything on WhatsApp with question marks asking me how to do it, where to do it, in which pen to do it, because the only issue out here is that you are not watching the video. Please watch the video, all my instructions are in the video. Thank you, do take care of yourself.